Question 20. Karen measured the length of the shadow of a tree at different times of the day and she recorded the length in a graph. If we were to use this diagram here, it's very difficult for us to imagine or visualize the shadows. I'm going to teach you how to draw the shadows using another diagram. So let's use this line here right at the bottom of the page and imagine that is the ground. So I'm going to draw a tree in the middle here. And let's start with 12 noon. And where is the position of the sun at 12 noon? It should be directly above the tree at 12 noon. How do we draw the light rays? I'm going to start from the middle of the sun. I'm going to draw a line touching the corners of the tree and extending it down to the ground. I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other side of the tree. Don't forget to indicate the direction using the arrows. And where is the shadow of the tree at 12 noon? This black line shows the length of the shadow. So usually the length of shadow of objects at 12 noon is the shortest. So that gives us the answer as option number 1. But let's just confirm our answer by using the shadow of the tree at 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. I'm going to draw a compass point here indicating the directions. Where is the position of the sun at 8 a.m.? The sun is in the east at 8 a.m. because the sun rises in the east. So I'm going to draw the sun here at 8 a.m. Let me use another line to draw the light rays now. So again, we're going to draw from the middle of the sun, but this time around touching the top of the tree and extending it down all the way to the ground. Now the other line goes to the bottom of the tree, touching the ground. Don't forget to indicate the direction by using these arrows. And where is the shadow of the tree at 8 a.m.? So you have the shadow of the tree shown by this black line here. Now compare the length of the shadow at 8 a.m. versus 12 noon. Yes, the shadow is much longer at 8 a.m. It would be good if you can pause the video and try to draw the length of the shadow at 4 p.m. on your own. Let's check your answer. Where is the position of the sun at 4 p.m.? Now it should be in the west. Here, the sun should be in the west at 4 p.m. as the sun sets in the west. So again, when I draw the light rays, I'm going to draw it from the middle of the sun, touching the top of the tree and extending it down all the way to the ground. The other line goes to the bottom of the tree, touching the ground. Do not forget to indicate the direction by using arrows. And where is the length of the shadow at 4 p.m.? I'm going to use this black line here to show you the shadow at 4 p.m. So this confirms our answer that the shadow at 4 p.m. is much longer compared to the one at 12 noon, giving us the answer as option number 1.